So in video 2, I'm going to talk about basically my experience. I came here, I checked in. There were other immigration attorneys that were waiting as well. They were really nice. They gave me some advice on how to deal with the judges, kind of what's going on locally. In terms of going inside of the facility, if you've been to a detention facility, it is essentially a jail. So there are multiple checkpoints or multiple places where you have to scan. You can't go from one place to the other without a guard actually walking you through multiple hallways. So just to get from the entrance to where the immigration court was, I had probably a change of 3 or 4 officers to take us from one location to the other. When we got into the court, as an attorney, I do get to go before all of the other respondents, and I was able to do that. The facilities are clean, but of course we don't know how it is where the actual respondents are staying. The courts are good. The judge that I had been appearing in front of was extremely kind. He was very understanding of the situation that I was in, being hired less than 24 hours and having to prepare for this case. And in fact, I felt that some of the judges want to help the attorneys. I think they recognize the mass injustices that are being put out here on these respondents, but their hands are tied because they have to apply whatever law is presented to them. And if the law doesn't support, findings in a certain way, then there's not much that they can do. And so, that's a separate topic all about the separation of powers. But coming to the experience, I would like to say that at least at the Florence Detention Facility, I felt that people were supportive. They weren't trying to hide my client from me or keep me from seeing my client. And overall, the experience was pleasant.